So I recently got this package in the mail, which I've been waiting quite some time for. And if you couldn't tell by the video, it is from YouTube themselves. It is the YouTube Silver Play button. And I figured I would do a little unboxing video to share with you guys. So yeah, here it is. At this part, I realized I was doing it all wrong, and I wasn't actually supposed to break the box, but I did figure it out eventually, so yeah. Here is a letter I got from YouTube. You can pause if you want to read it. And here's a little note card saying that my play button was made by Rick. So thank you, Rick. And here is the reveal. Hello everyone, it's me, Orangello. I just wanted to say thank you so much for the support on this channel. I couldn't have made it this far without each and every one of you. It's been a great journey and I hope to continue making videos. I am planning on expanding my content, so if you guys have any suggestion for future videos, make sure to comment down below. Stay tuned!